Here's how Brooklyn's eggs turned out.
Guys, this feels like slime, and I don't like holding slime.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Not like all the time. I don't like holding like super sticky slime. This is about the same.
All right, y'all want to do a taste test?
Yes. Ow.
You put out a timeline for other things that happen in your lives. I know it's
Hurt.
Is it really thick?
Yeah.
Is it good though?
Yeah, it tastes like strawberry.
Strawberry? You like it?
What does it taste like? Blueberry.
Blueberry?
Blueberry.
Alrighty. Well, what do you give this project? You think people should do it? Yeah. You think they'll have fun? Alright. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.